Your time is precious. When an issue arises, you need a fast and efficient resolution, and switching between systems to keep track of issues is tricky. This is where the Cloud Support API comes in. Enhanced Support customers gain access to the Cloud Support API, a simple and yet effective tool to integrate your customer relationship management system with Google Cloud Customer Care. The API enables you to integrate information from your own internal case management system with that of Google Cloud. Once up and running, the Cloud Support API helps you manage and track support cases as they progress, keeping you updated and informed in an efficient way. Using the Cloud Support API helps you rely on a single source of information for your support case data, eliminating the need to bounce between multiple systems and thus saving you precious time. The API enables you to maintain a system of record that pulls data directly from Google's systems, deeply integrated, no fuss. The Cloud Support API is available to Enhanced Support customers. To enable it, simply select APIs and Services from the menu in the Cloud Console. Enable APIs and Services, then search for Cloud Support in the API library. When the results appear, select Google Cloud Support API. You'll be up and running in no time. Save yourself time, view and manage issues in a single system, and boost your productivity and efficiency with Enhanced Support.